tired of using your boring notebook? This is gonna change because in this video, I'm gonna show you how I cutify my notebooks. It's really easy and fun too. Let's start! You need some square sheets of wrapping paper of your choice. A scissor, an all-purpose glue, adhesive plastic rhinestones, any cute motifs you can find like strawberries or cats. I'm also using an old scrunchie which once teared, and lots of other cute stuff you can find. And of course, a notebook. Arrange the sheets of paper and the decoration the way you want to glue them on your notebook. The scrunchie is quite big, so I'm going to cut a bit off and use the smaller section. Now fix the sheets on the notebook with a glue stick. Cut off the overlapping parts. And voila! Already looks more nice. Now I'm gonna stick the scrunchie on the notebook with the all-purpose glue, followed by a strawberry motif made of plastic. Next, I paste adhesive fake rhinestones along the borders of the sheets. I also use shiny green and white ribbon bands. Apply a thin line of glue along the center of the borders. And that's it! There you have a cute notebook which is quickly made. I hope that this will inspire you to cutify your notebook and have fun. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah!